You're going to listen to several Christmas selections. You are to decide what the meter is. Meter is how the beats are grouped in a piece of music. They could be grouped in 3s, 2s, 4s, 5s. They could even be 7s. If it's 3, it would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If it's 4, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So let's listen to the first one. Let's start with We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So, what was the meter? The meter is 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now, let's review the conducting in 3. It's straight down, out, up. Straight down, out, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's try it faster. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's conduct with the music now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next selection, Silent Night. So, what is the meter for that? Silent Night is also in 3. Let's conduct it. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to O Holy Night. What a great carol that is. What is the meter? The meter is 12. So, listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, instead of making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we're going to do it, we're going to consolidate it, and we'll make it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember the 4-4 pattern? Let's try that. Down, in, out, up. Down, in, out, up. So we're going to consolidate the 12 into 4 sets of 3. Let's do that. Let's get our hands ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's go to another one, Rocking Around the Christmas Tree. What's the meter? The meter is 4. So we just did it 4, so we know how to do that. Let's practice conducting it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to Santa Claus is Coming to Town. What's the meter? The meter is 2, just like a march. So to do 2, we're going to conduct it. We're going to go down, up, down, up. When you go down, you hook out. Down, up, down, up. It's a hook-shaped pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we can take a song in 2 and we can put it into swing jazz. If you put it into swing, it is now in 4. So let's take that same song, Santa Claus Coming to Town, and a jazz swing arrangement in 4. Let's conduct it in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you probably noticed I didn't just change the meter, I changed the chords. They were all jazz chords, 7ths, 9ths, 13ths, extensions. And did you notice those notes were falling in between the beats? Like you'd have your hand go down and the note would be either before it or after it. What is that called when notes fall in between the beats? Like they start on an and they continue from there? It's called syncopation. Jazz is full of syncopation. And that was swing jazz right there. Let's do Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. What's the meter? The meter is 2. Let's conduct it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's go to the Christmas Waltz. It's a great Christmas tune that you might not know, but you're going to know it now. So, waltz, W-A-L-T-Z. It's a word we discussed in previous Ed puzzles. A waltz is a type of dance. What is the meter of a waltz? 3. So the Christmas waltz is in meter of 3. Let's conduct it. It's a fast 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty fast. Let's consolidate. Let's put it in 1, and for every 3 beats it'll be 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. See how it's in 1, but it has a 3 subdivision. 1, 2, 3. And you hear a little syncopation in there. Let's go to Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. What's the meter? Meter's 4. Let's conduct it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, in, out, up, straight down. Some nice jazz chords in there. And we learned about notes that sound pleasant together and notes that clash. Jazz chords are full of notes that clash with each other, but they sound really cool. What is it called when two notes clash with each other? It's called dissonance. We learned that in previous Ed puzzles as well. So dissonance is part of what makes jazz so great. Here's a fun one. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Let's see if you can figure out the meter of this one. That has sort of a skipping feel. That is a meter of 6. So we have 6 like that. You learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that. Down, in, out, out, up. Down, in, out, out, up. Straight down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do not hook the first one like 2. It's just straight down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a slower tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, but we know that song is faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to consolidate this, and we're going to do a pattern of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And on the down is the first 3 beats. The up is 3 beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That way we're not going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it with a quick consolidated 6 conducted in 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like a march. You can hear a marching band play this down the street. In fact, it reminds me of a famous march composer. Who was the March King? John Philip Sousa, just like our last 2 Ed puzzles. So the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas is 6 beats in a measure. So a question for you, what is it called? What do you call the feel of the song, like how beats are grouped in a song, like 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 12s, whatever. What is that called, how songs are grouped, beats are grouped? It's called meter. What is the symbol, the written symbol at the beginning of a song or a piece of music that shows you the meter? It's called a time signature. What does the top number tell you in the time signature? How many beats in a measure? So the Hippopotamus song has 6 beats in a measure. The bottom number tells you what? It tells you what kind of note gets 1 beat. So I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas would be 6/8 time. And in 6/8, most often we conduct it in 2 with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And very similar to all those Sousa marches like Washington Post, which we discussed before. And so before you go, name the meter of each conducting pattern. What's the meter? 2. How about this pattern? It's 5. What about this one? What's that? 3. How about this pattern? What's the meter? The meter is 4. 4, I would say, is the most common meter of music you hear altogether. Most music you hear on the radio is in 4.